Hello, I am Sunil Chaudhary. Welcome you all students on our digital platform. In today's lesson or lecture, we are just going to learn that how to score 40 out of 40 in mental ability, a section of Jawahar Navodaya entrance test for class 6. Before starting this lecture, students, we have just launched our own mobile application which have many good features, and these are given here if you look at all these features. First one is that the complete preparation from class 1st to 10th for both medium, English and Hindi medium. Apart from this, we are also given various mock tests for various examination of all over India. And third one, preparation for Navodaya, Sainik School, military school, and there are many other entrance tests which are held all over India. We have also made a complete preparation courses in that overall. And next, complete study material with updated syllabus, or it means we are just giving the content which is useful for you, not like just complete syllabus which is unuseful for you. We are just giving you a short and sweet and the topic which are very important for your exam. And last to the in-depth analysis of previous year paper. This is the one of the most important parameter when we are preparing for any type of exam. If we know the exam pattern and the previous year paper pattern, so we can analyze that in future what type question can be asked. Okay, so let's move to our next slide. So in this slide or in this section, there are 40 questions. We will try to solve the 40 question in different and conceptual method, so we can score good in our exam. This is MET, mental ability test, and part 1. Okay, look at the students. I have given uh, here this side OMR orientation, so you can get a better idea that how to fill OMR sheet as well as. And I have also given in a bilingual. It means the English and Hindi language are included in this, so you can get a better idea that how to solve this type of question. And one important things there, when you are going to give your exam, there are question paper set just like A, B, C and D. There may be 4 or may be more than 4 sets. On all those sets, the question are same, but they have assigned differently. It means if any student or any your friend is a neighbor to you in your exam hall, don't be happy, because the examiner are very intelligent than us. So they have made a set. The question is same. Your first question may be her or his third or fourth question. That is the main important thing you have to keep in your mind when you are going. So but I will give you brief idea that how to read. So this is a section or part 1. In this part 1, if we look at this instruction, I have given instruction and you have to keep your complete dedication to this screen. So look at this directions in question numbers 1 to 4. So next 4 question, for next 4 question, next 4 slide, you have to keep this thing in mind. What that is? 1 to 4, 4 figures A, B, C, D have been given. This is A, B, C, D. 4 figures are given. And the next of these 4 figures, 3 figures are similar. Very important. Similar means they have similarity, whether the basic on the basic of their sides, their shapes, their rotation, their number of sides. You got my point? Okay. One figure is different. Okay. 3 are same and 1 is the different. So we have to identify which is the different. Okay. And we have to choose which is different, and we have to darken the circle for answer. So if your answer you have only ticked in that paper, that is not sufficient. You have to also fill black color or blue pen circle in that particular option. The option may be A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? You have to fill according to that question. So if you look at this, Let's start from this question. First, four options are given. Okay, so if you look at this, the four figure are same. This is square, this is also square, this is also square, and this is also square. So we can't find any clue from here. But if we look at these arrows, if you look at this first, the arrow is given inside the box. If you look at this, nothing is inside. If you look the next, nothing is inside. If you look the next, nothing is inside. Okay, now we move to the second option. If we move to the second option, what we can say? We can say that this arrow is on the border of the square. Next, this is also on the border of square. This also is in the border of square. So we can see clearly these three are on the border and this one is inside the square. So this will be our correct answer. So now if this is your correct answer, so you have to fill or you have to dark this option. And keep in mind, don't solve just like first question, you attempt first question and then you just dark the circle. No, please don't do this. This will not help you. According to my tip, what you have to do, you have to just simply solve four question pair, for each, 4 4 4 4, and then fill in that particular question number. If you can't solve any question, just skip and make a circle on that question number and don't do anything in that OMR sheet. No, you should have to make a circle. Okay, so first, after that, second question, the instruction is same. Now we have to read this spelling or this characters. This is KIT, this is also KIT, this is KIT, this is KIT, this is also ITK, but they have the same character or letter. But if you look at this, this is not same because this is IKC. Okay, so I and K are the same, but C is not same. So over this D option will be correct answer. Okay, now move to the next. In this question, this is triangle, this is also a triangle, this is also a triangle, this is also a triangle. So we can't identify anything specific. But if you know the types of triangle, then you can easily identify that this is a right angle. Right angle simply means, right angle triangle simply means this is the angle of 90 degree. This is also the angle of 90 degree. This is also the angle of 90 degree. But this is not the right angle triangle. This is triangle, but this is not right. So this is the different. Okay. Now next, if you look at this four options, what can you say? This one, a circle, a smaller circle, and an arrow. Same, four figure are same. Now we will look the direction of this arrow. In this question, the arrow is moving outside. In this also, the arrow is also moving outside. And if you look at this, the arrow is also moving outside. But if you look at this, the arrow is moving inside. So this will be our answer. Okay. Now next, these four are completed. Now we will just fill the suppose fourth question D option. So you have to use your black or blue ball pen, not gel pen. Gel pen is prohibited. And I want to fill fourth D. Don't do just like this. This will be your wrong. So you have to first. Now you are confused at how to make circle as soon as possible or very fast. Simple trick. Simply first make a outer circle and then fill inside. This is the fastest way. Fastest way to fill the previous. Third question. B option. Third question, B option. Okay. And second thing, if you don't know any question, just suppose if you don't know the answer of second question, then you have to make circle on second question in your question paper and just leave this second as blank. Don't fill anything in this. Okay. Don't do this type of mistake. Now a second question, the option is D correct. I am skipping. But if I look at this first, the option is A. For first I will make outer circle and then I will fill. Okay, this is the fastest way according to me. So now we are moving to the second part. Once again, you can download our mobile application and we are moving to the second part. If you look at the second part, in question number 5 to 8, this is the instruction for next 4 questions, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. What the instruction is? The instruction is there a question figure is given on the left. This is the our question figure. This one. And 4 answer, these are the answer figures. And we have to choose figure which is exactly the same as the question figure. It means we have to find similar. In previous, we have to find a different. So look at these all 4 options. If you look at this, 1, 2, 3. 3 arrow are dark, 3 part, but they have. If you look at this, these 2 are blank. This 1 is blank. If you look at this 1 is this 2, this 3. 3 are blank. So this is all wrong. Always try to find the wrong answer and you will left with the correct answer. Always try to find this. And the next, if you look at next, 2 blank, okay, and 2 more blank, okay, and 1 also. So this is your correct answer. Okay. Try to find the wrong answer. Always you will left with a correct answer. Okay. Next, 2 circle and 2 small s and 1 kite. So kite is in every figure, 2 circle. But if you look at this, 1 circle is there. This is not circle. So this is the dash or arrow. So this is wrong. If you look at this, 2 circle, okay, 2 circle, 2 arrow and 2 arrow. So this will be your correct answer. But if you look at this, 1 arrow and 1 circle, this will be also wrong. And if you look at this, these have the same option, but the side is replaced. This is upper side, this is lower side. But in this came on upper side and this came on lower side. So this also will be wrong. So our C option is the correct. Now move to the next. So suppose if I want to skip this question, I don't know what is the solution of this question. So what will I do? I will simply skip this question. This is the tip for your examination. Okay. So simply leave this question and don't waste more time on any question. If you are not unable to solve the question, just skip. Don't worry, just skip that question. In second round, when you are checking your paper, then just try to attempt. Otherwise your time will be wasted. So if you look at this, if I want to skip this question, so I will make a circle. Right? Reason, in my mind, I will think that the 7th question is not attempted, and I have to also keep this 7 empty until I correct the answer. Okay. So now I am telling you the solution. If you look at this, all arrow are going outside. Okay. If you look at this, these 3 are correct, but this is wrong. This is this type of arrow. Okay. So I have to make little less zoom. Now next, if I look at this arrow is correct, this is correct, this is correct. But if you look at this, again this is also wrong, this is also wrong. Now if I look at this is my correct, because this figure and this figure is the same figure. Okay, next, this is very important. Here one V is there. So if you look at, this is one V, this is one V, this is one V, this is one V. Until now we can't determine which one is the correct. And next, to cross, to cross, to cross. But if you look at this is the extra line, so this is the wrong. This is also, this don't have this type of lines like this, no lines like this, so this will be also wrong. This is also wrong. We are left with the B option, so B will be the correct answer. Okay, don't left answer only in this, you have to dark the circle. I repeat, you have to dark the circle. Next, this is again my request, if you want to prepare best quality content, then please download our app. Next, this is the our third part. In third part, look at this question number 9 to 12. This is instruction from question 9 to 12. There is a question figure on the left side which is missing. This part is missing. Observe the answer figure ABCD. This is the answer without changing the direction. Very, very important. In this type of question, we can't change the direction. So look, if we try to make this type of question, what we can do? Simply make just this arrow. After that, just this arrow, and then these are on opposite side. So this and this and these two are also in opposite direction. So this and this. We have to find figure like this. Like this. So if you look at this is the wrong, this is correct, this is wrong, this is wrong. Reason? Because these arrow are in opposite direction. These all arrow are in opposite direction. Okay, got my point? Now move to the next. Once again, I will try to make figure 90 degree. So try to, this is 90 degrees given, 90 degrees not given, 90 degrees given, but this is another side, so no direction change. This is wrong. Now A and D can be my answer. I'm not sure 100% until now. Now if 1 2 3 4, so if I count, these will be on outer side, these will be this side, not inner side. But if I look at this, these are inner side, so this is the wrong, and I am left with the D option. Try to find wrong answer, you will be always left with the correct answer. And the second thing, don't make all option wrong. Many of students will do like this. You have to also use your logic as well as. Okay, now next, if I look at this, there will be this type of figure, circle, half circle. So half circle and another half circle, and this part will be filled like this. If I look at this dot have came, so this is the wrong. But if I look at this, four side are dark, so this is wrong. We need only two side. This is flower type, no, and we are left with D option. Now we will move to the next. So this will also like this one, and then you have to make it like this. like this. So if you look at this, this can be your answer. This is correct, but this is direction is changed. Wrong. This will be not our answer. This will also be not, because this side should be blank, and here this side is filled and this side is the blank. This A will be the our answer. Okay. Now next, this part is completed. We are moving to the next topic, means next part 4. Here this is the part 4, and in this type of question, what we have to do, we will just first read the instructions. Okay, in your exam, this part may be 4th, 5th, 6th, and but the instruction will be the same, and you have to solve according to the instructions. So if you look at this 13 to 16, okay, fourth figure is blank, 3 question on the left side, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we have to solve, complete the series. Complete series means, suppose if I give you an example, suppose 1, 2, 3, the next, what will be the next? I give you option 4, 6, 5, 8. 1, 2, 3, your answer will be 4. Okay, like this. So you have to also find similar series. So if you look at this, one circle is given, and on the second, one circle and one cross. Next, circle, cross, circle. According to me, the next series should be circle, cross, circle, cross. Okay, so this will be the wrong. If you look at this, these options are quite confusing, because circle and cross, but this is cross and circle, so this will be also wrong, and this is our correct answer. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is wrong. This can be the next option. Okay, so we have one option is left, C will be our correct answer. 13C, the method, first make outer circle and then inner circle. That is the okay. Next, use only blue and black ball pen. So if you look at this, this is pentagon and one half circle, pentagon, but the circle came downside, this cross become double. So what will be the this one will become this, the circle will be the same, and if I look at this, but these 3 cross, 1, 2, 3, and now this will be the 4 cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, because they are in series. Which type series? 1, 2, 3, next should be the 4. This is the wrong, because here are 3 star. This is also wrong, 4 star, but they have not rotated. Wrong. This is your correct answer. This is wrong answer, because these have. You think that the answer should be like this or this one, but both are wrong. You have to move 1, 2, because the circle number is always remain same. 1, 1, 1. Next should be the 1, and the cross are increasing. Okay. Next, if you look at this one is the Z. Z is rotated just like this. Z is rotated like this. Okay, this one. Now if we rotate this, like if we rotate this figure, rotation means you have watch on in your home, the minute hand are moving in clockwise direction. Just like this, I have just rotated in this direction, clockwise direction. Now I will also rotate this in clockwise direction. If I rotate, this will become like this. So I have to find option like this. These two are confusing, because here are 1 arrow, here is the 2 arrow. So 2 arrow will be wrong, because 1 arrow, then we rotated, the 1 arrow is same. So here is 1 arrow, the option should have 1 arrow. So B will be our correct answer. Okay. Now we are moving to the next. If you look at this is also based on rotation. So these are rotating. If I rotate like this, okay, if I rotate like this, I can show you that how this rotation will work. A second. So I will show how this rotation work. So this one, this one, this one is visible or not? I will try to. The frame is not. I have to make correct. Now, if you look at this, now if I rotate this one, look at this. If I rotate this one, which direction? This is rotated in this direction. So we get this figure. This become this. Now, if we want to rotate the same in the same manner, so what we will get? Circle, rectangle, triangle, and an arrow. If we rotate this one, which direction? Clockwise. So if we rotate in clockwise direction, we have to find the figure like this. This is based on rotation. So clearly I can see this is wrong. My mistake. Wait a second. This is the wrong because the arrow is in wrong direction. This is so this one is the my correct. Okay, you got this point. This is based on rotation. You practice more question, you will, and the circle have the same rotation. If you rotate in any direction, circle will be the circle. Direction will be the same. The figure will be also the same. Next. Now, if you look at this, in this section, part 4, fifth, 17 to 20 question, the instruction is given. The second has an interrogation mark. Okay, two questions. There is a relation between the first and the question. Simple. The relation is given between first and second. We have to find between third and fourth one. That is the question demand. So if you look at this, how this arrow came, this is the diagonal. Diagonals means we have to just join these corners. So if you join, many of students will demand this is the correct answer because they will say that this is the our two arrow because this have two. This will be the wrong. The reason we have to join all the corners or vertices. Look at this. If you look at this, this, but these two are missing. Which one? This one. This one is missing. This is also missing. So this is also wrong. Here, if you look at this one is missing. This one is the missing. This one is also missing. This one is also missing. This is the wrong answer. And if you look at this one, this is the correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And many of you will say, what will happen if you join this? If you join this, the same figure will be there. Don't worry. Okay. So this will be our correct answer. Next, if you look at this, only this lower part is the same as the first, but the major difference, the lower part is the same. The difference is only the upper part. The upper part is rotated 180 degree. So the lower part will be the same. So if I look at this lower part is not same. This lower part is not same. This lower part is the same. This lower part is the same. Both are same. But these both arrows are same. It means this is half circle. Here this is also the half circle. This is half rectangle. So we will need half rectangle with rotation. We don't need like this. This will be wrong. We just need like this. And if we look at this, this is the our perfect match. So this will be the our correct answer. There may be any type of relation, whether the a relation of rotation, shapes, sides, number of shapes, sides, all these can include it. Okay, so you have to practice more and more on this. Now this is the simple. This will be, if we look at this, this is put inside this one. Second one is put in the inside. So this will be the same. We have to find the figure like this. If you look at this, triangle is there, but this is the circle. This is little confusing. This is little confusing because all options are just confused. All options are just confusing. So you have to find very carefully whenever you are going to solve these type of questions. Okay. If you look at this option, we need triangle, square, circle. Triangle, square, and this is this will be our correct answer. Okay. The next the same. In this, if you look at these two shapes, this part is filled and other are empty. And if you connect both, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are filled. The opposite, this opposite is blank, but the same are filled. These same sides are filled, and this opposite sides is empty. You got my point? This will be the wrong because all are just empty. So we have to find like, so I will say what type we need. We need, this should be filled, this should be filled. After, and these opposites should also be filled. We need this type of, whether this is the wrong, this is the wrong, so this will be our correct answer. C1 will be our correct answer. Next, this part is completed. We are moving to the next part, and if you want to make your selection sure or perfect preparation, then please download our app. You can search from Play Store. Now the next section, in this next section, from 21 to 24, one part of geometrical figure. Geometrical figure we know very well: triangle, square, circle, pentagon, hexagon, square. Many various shapes are there. Any shape can be given in this type of question. You have to complete that shape, and you will left with half uncompleted and half completed. You have to join the both shape, and you will get a new shape. If you look at this, this is the half part of triangle. I want the remaining part. So this, I need this type of shape. If I look at this, these have many blank. No. If I look at this, this is the opposite. I need like this, and this is given. So this will be also wrong. If I look at this, this is the correct, but this extra part is given. So I don't need this, and this, my D will be the correct answer. Okay. And second tip I can give you for your exam, simply fill the color with your pen, pencil, anything in your paper. You need this type of shape. You can similarly say these both are the same shape. Okay. Now next, This is the circle. Sometimes circle, sometimes triangle, sometimes rectangle, sometimes square. Any shape can be given in your examination. So if I look at this, first I will make complete, then this one. I need 3. Here 2 wrong. Here also 2 wrong. Always eliminate the wrong answer. You will be, but these are the little confusing. But we need filled, not blank. These are the blank. So this will be our correct answer. Okay, you got my point? Okay, next. Next square is given. Okay. So square is given. I need this type of shape. I will simply join the square. If I look at this, the direction is changed. This is the wrong. This can be my correct answer. This is the wrong. This is also the wrong. This is the my correct answer. Okay, the next. If I look at all these, I need only triangle. But all these have triangle included. In this figure, no triangle. So this will be terminated. And if I look at more, triangle are given in the uh, remaining option. But I need in this direction. This is in the opposite direction. This is also in opposite direction. This is in the correct direction. So this will be the my correct answer. Okay, now next. Once again, this that part is completed. But if you want to make your preparation good and you want sure selection, then please download our mobile application. There are so many features are given. Okay, I already told in the starting of video. Now next, from 25 to 28, mirror image. If you don't know about mirror image, don't worry. Whenever we look in mirror, so my left side, this is my right side. My right side will be look or will be appear on left side, and my left side will be appear on right side. But my up and down side will be on same. I am talking about a mirror. Okay, when I am putting mirror in this direction, vertical direction, and on this, on the other hand, the mirror can be put down like this. In this case, my left, right, both left, right will be in the same direction, and my up and down will be reverse. So I can give you a brief idea. Look at this. Okay, one more. This. So look at this. I will show you how this works. So whenever the mirror is placed in this direction, look at this. The mirror can be in whether this one, whether this direction, the mirror can be put in this direction, or on the other hand, the mirror can be put on this direction. Their name should be X, Y, A, B, anything. Any name can be given. I am talking about the in this case I am talking about the vertical. So now if we make the mirror image of this, okay, clone here, if you get this, This is visible. So now whenever I flip means simply when I rotate this one, the mirror image is the same, because this is the I have to take another, because this mirror image is the same. So if I take, give me 1 minute. If I want to make the mirror image of this one, so this is your original position, and when we flip this one, this will become, okay. So this is the case when the mirror is put, this is the case when the mirror is put vertical, okay. And now in this scenario, in second scenario, I will just putting the mirror in this direction. This means horizontal direction. Horizontal direction. When I put that in horizontal direction, then what will be there? This is the my mirror image when the mirror is put down like this. It means the mirror is put it like this. Okay. The mirror position is very important in this type of question. Some shape have the same mirror image. If you don't know, just watch the previous videos. In those videos I have given the complete solution. Now I don't want to waste your time. Okay, so this side will become left and this will become right. This will also be the mirror image of this, x will be here, and the mirror image of this, give me a little time, the mirror image of c is this one, the mirror image of x is this one. This have like, and we have the right side, this is equal, this will be also equal. We want this type of figure. This is the wrong, this is the wrong, because this circle is wrong, this is also wrong. We are left with this D option. One again, next, I and K, we have to rotate. This will become K and I. We have to find K rotation, K on the place of I and I on the place of K. I, K, but the place is the same. I want K. Okay, I think whether I have done wrong or not. Left to right. So this is the wrong. These three, this is the also wrong. The N is the on the same place, and the I is in middle place. Now we are left with this option. So this will be our correct answer. Okay. Now next, if you look at this, the upper side will be the same. This one upper side I have changed. Upper and lower side have changed. If you look at this, and the upper and lower side are the same. Upper and lower side are the same. The left will become right and the right will become left. We want like this. Look at this. This will be our correct answer. This is the wrong answer. Now we are just moving to the next. This mirror part is completed. Now I will try to solve as fast as possible. Now if you look at this, the next section, part it's 29 to 32, a piece of paper is folded. This is the very important and so much confusing. Various or many students attempt wrong answer for these type of questions. A simple trick is there. If there are 3 arrows, then start with the third one. If there are 2 arrows, then start with the last one. I mean to say, just look at this. So I will start with this one. First, I have to make the mirror image of this one. So this one, this one, this one, this one. Now if I open this one, mirror image on this direction, we have to open like this. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. If you look at this, wrong. This is also wrong. I want like this, but here if you look, these are all are in the same direction. This is also the wrong answer. So we are left with the A option. I know this is little confusing. Next start with this one. Okay, 1, and when we open this should be the empty. When we open, so this should be the empty, this should also be empty, this should also be empty, and this should also be empty. We want this type of figure. Okay, and if you look at this is the same figure. Sorry. Now these 2 arrow, we will make 2 arrow like this, and when we open this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now again 4 arrow, again 4 arrow. I want this type of figure. This is the wrong, this is the correct, this is wrong, this is wrong. Okay, mirror image, simply mirror image of that particular. Now next, this circle will be on same place, this triangle will become like this. If you look at this triangle, but this is a circle, wrong, this is also wrong, triangle, this is also wrong, C will be the our correct answer. Okay, next, that part is completed. Now next, from 33 to 36, what we have to select the cutout piece in given the question figure. Simply mean puzzle. In childhood you have just solved puzzle like puzzles of animals, puzzle of some pictures. The same, this is the same puzzle. Okay, but this size should be the same. Okay, and the shape should be the same. Here 2 triangles are given, this one, this 2. These can be rotated in every direction on. Okay, so if you look at this is the given, this triangle is given, but these are the equilateral triangle, these are the equilateral, this is not equilateral, this is the like this one, scalene triangle. So this is the wrong, this may be the correct. If you look at this, 2 arrow given. Okay, second thing, one another arrow, and one another triangle is given, this is rotated. And next is in the form of kite. I want this type figure, this and these are same, so this will be our correct answer. Now next, if I look at this type figure, there are 2 rectangle are there, and 2 triangle are there, right angle triangle. If you look at this, 2 triangle are given, but these are not these are not the square, these are not the rectangle. Sorry for that, this will be wrong. If you look at this, triangle are given, rectangle are also given, so this will be the order. If you look at this, wrong. If you look at rectangle are given, but they are not in the same direction. So that is a wrong. Next, three rectangle and one rectangle with another rectangle with two portion. This is the wrong. This is the correct answer. This is the same, but this is not perfect partition. Okay, so this B will be the correct answer. The next, this is the little confusing. I want shape like this, but if you watch at this, look at this, these shape are not same, so this is the wrong. But if you look at this one, little this part is missing, so this is the wrong answer. If you look at this is also the wrong, and we are left with the last one. Let's check last. Now don't say that these are not same. These are same. This is this and these are same, but they have rotated in another direction. Now next, this is the completed. Now this is the last part of these 50 questions. From 37 to 40. 37 to 40 question. Question figure in left. Okay, this is the question figure. Mark A, B, C, D. Hidden, embedded. Hidden figure. Hide and seek. You have played the game hide and seek. So we have to find the hidden. Most of case, the measurement is same and the direction is same. Sometimes the direction can be changed, but most of the time the direction is not changed. The direction is the same. If you look at this, one line is given. This line is also given, but this line is missing. Which one? This one. This one line is missing. So this will be the wrong answer. If you look at this, the middle line is missing. This is the wrong answer. Okay. If you look at this line is the missing. This line is the missing. This is the wrong answer. At last, if we look, this line is given, this is given, and also this line is given. So this will be the correct answer. Okay. Next, this is the most confused question. Many of students attempt this question as wrong because they don't know. We want a right angle and an arrow bigger in size. If you look at this, the triangle are given, but this is the wrong. Okay. If you look at this, many of students attempt this one. They treat this as the correct. This is the wrong because we want on upper side, not on down side. So this is wrong. This is also wrong. And if you look at this is the correct answer. How? This one. These two are same. Okay. Now if we look at this, we want this type of shape. But if you look at this one, the shape should be like this, but they are in another direction. So this is the wrong. If you look at this one, wait a second. Wait a second. If you look at this, sorry for that. If we look at this, many of students will treat this as the correct answer. They will treat that this is the correct answer. But this part is given. This part is the missing. This part is missing. This part. How will you solve? Now next. If you look at this, these part are given, but these part are quite like this. This is the also wrong. And if you look at this one, check. Now I want this arrow. This line can be longer. Okay, many of students get confused that this line is the longest. Don't worry, we don't want that type of confusion. The line can be longer, that is not our matter. We have to just find the hidden. This is also on practice based. Last one, that is the most important. This is the most confused question of this complete video lecture. If you look at this question, you can see clearly this angle is given. Okay, acute angle is given, but we have to change the direction. If you can change direction, that is the not correct, because we want this type of curve. This one, if you look at this is also wrong. If you look at this one, this is the correct answer. Here in this case, this is the rotated, this one. If you look at this one, this is the given, but this curve is not given. So I hope you got idea how to get more marks in your exam. I have given all the tips related to that exam. The only method, more practice, more result. At last, if you are enjoying from our channel, every platform, whether this may be app, Facebook, Insta, please support. Your support is very useful and very valuable for our all team. Your feedback is also important for us. You can give your feedback. Okay, the little communication gap may be there. Okay, because I have some acne in my tongue, so I am not capable to deliver clearly voice. Okay, we will meet in the next lecture. Meanwhile, keep practicing and share this channel with all your friend who are needing who all are need this type of content. Okay.